This is a 1969 Shelby Cobra GT350. It's a convertible car. So what we know about the engine for the moment is that the car is an all matching numbers. We already presumed that it was a matching number car because the engine was never taken out. So we checked the numbers, and the engine, gearbox, axle, everything is correct to this car. So it's an all matching number car. We're missing the air filter housing. So if anybody of you have a spare one for sale, let me know. The engine is stuck. We tried to move it, but it's stuck. We're not gonna try to start it or whatever, so we're gonna leave it like that and take the engine out. So everything is basically there on the car. It has the correct carburetor, and it has the special plate, and that's the Claude Dubois identity plate, the ID, and it says Claude Dubois. And the car also has an approval number. So in America you get an approval number like a DOT. Here in Europe we have an approval number for cars, that it's possible to drive the car in Europe. So the ID tag is still with the car. That's very, very good. VIN number is also nicely stamped and clean. Has all the correct things like the air intake, distributor, it's all there.